dimensions. Applications. First application I told, to check the correctness of a physical quantity. Yes. Now second application. What is that second application? To set up a relation. To set up a relation among different physical what? To set up a relation among different physical quantities. To set up a relation among different physical. See, for example, centripetal force acting on a body depends upon its mass, its speed and radius of circular path. Suppose centripetal force F acting on a body depends upon its mass, its speed and its radius of circular path. And we have to find the formula for centripetal force dimensionally. See, this is solution. See, F depends M, V and R. M, V and R. Let F directly proportional to M to power A, V to power B and R to power C. F equals K, M to power A, V to power B and R to power C, where K is a dimensionless proportionality constant. Got it? Now on putting dimensional formulae on both the sides. On putting dimensional formulae on both the sides. See, what is the dimensional formula of force? MLT minus 2. K dimensionless, mass M to power A, velocity LT minus 1, then P, R radius L to power C. Now MLT minus 2 and here M to power A, L to power B, T to power minus B, L to power C, and combining their parts, MLT minus 2, M to power A, L to power B plus C, and T to power minus. On comparing the dimensions on both the sides, we get M, A, here M, 1. So A equals 1. Second, L, here L, B plus C, here no power means 1. So B plus C equals, and T minus B, here minus 2. So minus B equals minus 2. So B equals, we got A, B and B plus C 1. So 2 plus C equals 1 or C equals, on putting these values in equation number first. See, so F equals K, M to power 1, V to power B means 2, R power C means minus 1, F equals K mv square upon, we cannot find the value of K dimension. This is the formula for centripetal force acting on a body. Yes, using dimensionally we cannot find the value of K. One more example I am giving for this one. One more. See, acceleration due to gravity G depends upon universal gravitational constant capital G, mass of Earth M and radius of Earth R. Acceleration due to gravity is small capital G. Acceleration due to gravity small g depends upon universal gravitation constant capital G, mass M and radius R, where M is mass of Earth, R is radius of Earth. Now see solution. G depends upon capital G, M and R. Let G directly proportional to G to power A, M to power B, and these A, B, C, these parts we have to values of parts we have to find. Wherever we want to change the proportionality into equality, then G equals, we have to introduce a constant. G equals k g to power a m to power b, where k is a dimensionless proportionality constant. On putting dimensional formula on both the sides. See, here acceleration LT minus 2 and no power, so I will write 0. M to power 0, L to power L T minus 2. क्यों? अभी हमें कंपेयर करना होगा एम एल टी की पावर, तो आसान रहेगा, इसलिए एम जीरो एल टी माइनस टू. के डायमेंशनलेस, नो डायमेंशन, कैपिटल जी एम माइनस वन एल थ्री टी माइनस टू ए and m, and then mass. Dimensional formula of mass is m, and dimensional formula of radius n. Yes, so m0 l t minus 2, m minus 1 here a, so m minus a l 3a t minus 2a mb l c, m0 l t minus 2, here m to power minus a and then plus b, l to power 3a plus c, and then t to power minus 2a. On comparing the dimensions on both the sides, here minus a plus b equals 0, l 3a plus c equals 1, and here minus 2a equals minus 2, so a equals 1, then minus a plus b equals 0, so minus 1 plus b equals 0, so b equals, and here 3a plus c equals 1, so 3 into 1 plus c equals 1, c equals 1 minus 3. Now on putting these values of a, b, c in equation number first, so g equals k capital G to power a, m to power b, r to power c, is g equals k capital G a to power 1, m to power b any 1, and r to power c minus 2, g equals k g m upon, using, we cannot find the value of k dimensional. Yes, one more small numericals. See, v equals a t square plus bt plus c. A, B, C. We have to find the dimensions of A, B, C, where v is velocity and t is time. Now see, according to the principle of dimension, the dimensions of added and subtracted quantities are same. It means dimensional formula of C equals dimensional formula of V, that is LT minus. Now see, dimensional formula of BT equals dimensional formula of V, means dimensional formula of V equals dimensional formula of V upon T, minus, it means velocity LT minus 1 upon T. So LT minus dimensional formula of AT square equals dimensional formula of V. So dimensional formula of A equals dimensional formula of V upon T square. So V LT minus 2, LT minus 1 velocity, and T square, T to power 2 will come LT minus